All right. The market opens in about 3 minutes. Both ES and NQ still up all-time highs. We do have some hourly gaps that we're currently inversing, but we don't know if it's actually going to hold until the actual hourly candle closes. We do have quite a bit to target to the downside, right? Specifically the gap that we left, over the weekend holiday. I'm gonna see how market looks at open. If we just start dumping and we get a continuation back to the downside, then I might look for puts. On the 15-minute is the clean inversion here too. Well, could also retest that inversion and then go back down. Quite a bit of stuff. We're just gonna be patient, see what the market do. No significant news today either, so low 30. Yes. Yes, gonna take out this low most likely before NQ. It's opened. Thing that I see is this gap here. Yes, and Q seems to be going down again. There's a lot of stuff right to target if we want to go lower. Again, we are overall bullish. Higher time frame. Keep that in mind. Q is the weaker asset right now. A lot more places to jump. This inversion to the upside. Solid rejection on yes. Tap back into the gap. Hard rejection. You could get inputs here if you wanted to, if you're bearish. The hesitation is NQ has all these hourly gaps that could send us higher. If you wanted to, you could enter puts here, quick scalp, did this London low. But I really want to see some aggression here to see if we're going to go target this gap below. The equal highs on NQ as well to target too. If we get this inversion, I think it's a solid setup back to the upside. It's not, you don't want to see that. You want to see ES and NQ pushing in the same direction. ES seems to be pretty aggressive. NQ seems pretty aggressive to the downside, but then ES is a little choppy right now. Gotta be patient. We're still respecting this bearish gap here. Finally gonna go take out London lows. You'll see some equal lows below it too. So I mean, there's a lot of things to target to go lower. Just not too sure yet. Good entry. The hourly candle so far is looking very bearish. Reversing all the higher time frame gaps. Of all this trendline liquidity. Be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. Put it right here though to see if this 1 minute on NQ. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Again, looks like we're respecting that 1 minute, but I want to see us like really push through this London low. That really tell me that, hey, we're gonna go a lot lower. You can see it's fighting it here in this level. It's only been 10 minutes. Try to be patient. You need to be the first one to market. You just catch if you're. Oh. Here we go. I mean, it's looking like it's pushing through here. Again, they're respecting the bearish gaps. And to be honest, there's really nothing to the right, at least on the hourly, that could send us higher on NQ. So we might be going down. Hang on, yes, no, but looks like there's nothing here. I think we're gonna actually tap that gap. I'm gonna look to see if I can enter something. Tiny look 1 minute. Again, it could work. Also, see, look at that big higher time frame, like 15-minute hourly, like that's looking like a big wick. Which is not exactly what you want to see. See rejection here. Oh yeah, that's solid. We can hold this. Oh, I'll look to enter puts on QQQ. I'm looking at 7. Just price is leaving. 728. But I just entered. Probably not the best fill with the way prices dropping right now, but I entered like right there. Probably would have been a good idea to wait for the new 15-minute candle, but let's just see how it played out. Up about 11% right now. EFS is also dropping, which is a good sign. I got alerts here as well, so when I know it taps at least the top of the gap, it's good. What, 14%, or about 15% actually. On the 15 minutes, see if there's any obvious lows, which there are. 11%. There's S&T with ES. But again, in my opinion, there shouldn't be a reason we shoot higher right now. But we're gonna find out. Would not want to see us inverse this. Five minutes. So we can go back and tap this as well. So it's about trusting your bias right now. 15-minute candles open, big displacement down. We could come back, tap these 5 minutes and go back down. But this is what you want to see. If we hold this wick, that's just going to give me more confidence to hold this trade. But if we don't, you know, you may want to consider getting out. But we're still so far okay. That's a solid reaction. Push back in, heavy aggression. Looks like we're going to inverse, reject, big wick down. But the only problem is you want to see that on ES2. So don't want to see ES start showing strength either. We're up about 20%. I'm moving my stops to break even. So at a minimum, we're not going to lose nothing. Again, the target is that gap. Q is looking a lot better than ES. Again, these are 0 DTE, so I'm actually gonna get out. I'm being, oh, dang, I got out the wrong moment. Okay, it's okay. Anyway, I took profit. I got out. I was looking at my phone, trying to get out down here with the candles red, but it did kind of go back up. So I made about $400 on that trade. I was trying to close it for $700 in profit, but I missed it. I closed it a little too late. I was literally pressing the button, and yeah, that was it. So that's probably gonna be my only trade today.